Olympic canoeist David Hearn pleaded not guilty today to charges stemming from the alleged vandalism of the reflecting pool. Hearn was arrested last month, if you might remember, after stopping at the reflecting pool while cycling on the National Mall.
Yeah, his attorneys argue the case is politically motivated. News 4's Mark Segraves was in the courtroom today, which was filled with reporters.
Free David Hearn. He is a hero.
David Hearn emerged from the courthouse to a small crowd of supporters chanting his name. Flanked by his attorneys, Hearn made no statements during the arraignment or to reporters outside. But through his attorneys, he pled not guilty to the felony charge of damaging the reflecting pool.
Today, Davy Hearn pled not guilty. Because he is not guilty. If Mr. Hearn can be charged with a felony for touching the reflecting pool, every American is at risk. And every American should be alarmed about this prosecution. This indictment reflects the administration's effort to scapegoat Davy and to shift blame for their own failures. We will litigate these issues vigorously. We have confidence in our justice system to see through this misuse of government power against an ordinary American based on a false and politicized narrative.
Prosecutors did not present any evidence at today's hearing, but did ask the judge to issue Hearn a stay-away order from the reflecting pool, which the judge denied. Hearn was arrested on June 19th after he was seen by National Guard members and the U.S. Park Police kneeling down by the reflecting pool. U.S. Attorney for D.C. Janine Pirro told reporters Hearn was seen forcefully and violently pulling up and removing the bottom liner.
We can state and prove beyond a reasonable doubt that he caused damage, and that damage is over $1,000.
Hearn previously told NBC News that he was arrested after he touched a piece of the detached coating in the pool, but he maintained he did not remove, tear, or destroy any of the coating. He described his arrest in a recent MS Now interview.
As soon as I left the side of the reflecting pool and went back to my bike that was laid down on its side on the edge of the grass, 3 National Guard troops sort of materialized and started talking to me about, after I greeted them, they were talking to me about the park police wanting to talk to me. I didn't think I'd done anything wrong, so I had no reason to think I was going to be arrested.
To give you an idea of just how much attention this story is getting both nationally and internationally, take a look at all the journalists over my shoulder. Before the hearing began, the court clerk asked the packed courtroom how many people in the courtroom were journalists. More than half of us raised our hands. Now, barring any unforeseen occurrences between now and then, Hearn is due back in this courthouse August 5th for a status hearing. From D.C. Superior Court, Mark Segraves, News 4.
Hearn's attorney requested a speedy trial, but the judge told them a shortage of judges and a backlog of cases means the earliest the trial could begin is February of next year. A court spokesperson told News 4 D.C. Superior Court currently has 13 judicial vacancies, so trials for defendants being held in custody are taking priority.